Principles of Management. If you like our content, subscribe to receive videos every week. Thank you.
Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve specific goals and objectives. Effective management is essential for the success of any organization, as it ensures that resources are utilized efficiently and effectively. In this video, we will see several aspects of management, including its functions, skills, and challenges. What are the functions of management? The functions of management can be divided into four main categories: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning. Planning involves setting goals and objectives, developing strategies to achieve them, and determining the resources required. Effective planning is essential for the success of any organization, as it ensures that resources are used effectively and efficiently. Organizing. Organizing involves structuring the organization's resources, including personnel, finances, and technology. This function includes tasks such as job design, division of labor, and establishing communication channels. Leading. Leading involves motivating and directing employees to achieve organizational goals. Effective leadership is essential for the success of any organization, as it ensures that employees are motivated to work towards a common goal. Controlling. Controlling involves monitoring and evaluating performance to ensure that goals are being achieved. This function includes tasks such as performance measurement, quality control, and corrective action.
And what are the skills of management? Effective management requires a combination of technical, interpersonal, and conceptual skills. Technical skills. Technical skills are the ability to use specialized knowledge and tools to perform specific tasks. These skills are essential for managers who need to understand the technical aspects of their organization. Conceptual skills. Conceptual skills involve the ability to think critically, analyze information, and make strategic decisions. These skills are essential for managers who need to understand the complex relationships and interactions within their organization. Interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills involve the ability to communicate effectively with others, build relationships, and resolve conflicts. These skills are essential for managers who need to work with employees, customers, and other stakeholders.
And what are the challenges of management? Management also presents several challenges, including adapting to change, managing conflict, and maintaining ethical standards. Adapting to change. Adapting to change is a constant challenge for managers, as organizations must continually adjust to new market conditions, technologies, and regulations. Managing conflict. Conflict can arise in any organization, and it is the responsibility of managers to manage it effectively. Effective conflict management involves identifying the underlying issues, understanding the perspectives of all parties, and finding a mutually acceptable solution. Maintaining ethical standards. Maintaining ethical standards is essential for the long-term success of any organization. Managers must ensure that employees understand and adhere to ethical standards, and that the organization operates in a socially responsible manner. In conclusion, effective management is essential for the success of any organization. The functions of management include planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, while the skills of management include technical, interpersonal, and conceptual skills. Management also presents several challenges, including adapting to change, managing conflict, and maintaining ethical standards. It is the responsibility of managers to address these challenges and ensure that the organization achieves its goals and objectives. Best regards.